that was an illegal one. Okay. Now that was illegal.
That's a jam. That's a jam.
Can I get a nice bun? Alright. So
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's all good, it's all good. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
alright guys, so I have my little ears. How cute. I have a red pair and I also have a blue pair, but I have a little red bow, so I think the red went better. And I didn't make it with my glasses because I didn't have no lashes. So I'm just gonna put a lip on and then we're gonna go. Okay, but it's the 4th. Also, fun fact, I haven't been able to wear this shirt in like 2 years, but fun fact is I also have some of these that we could wear, and I also bought glow sticks because you know I am the festivity queen, so that is the plan. And if anybody wants to know what scent I'm wearing today, I am wearing Black Opium by Saint Laurent. Okay, so let's go. Guys, we've made it to mama's house, my parents' house. But I gotta park on the street because normally I would park in the back, but because my siblings are coming, my sister's coming, this way they don't have to fight for the park. But don't you love how festive I look? About the fireworks.
Like you can barely. Those are some nice fireworks, but it's not dark yet.
It's
so
not.
You can't rock it. So.
You can't. So guys, there are 2 types of sisters: the festive one, and the regular one, and the one who's like it's just a holiday. Okay. But can somebody explain to us
it's the fireworks.
why they feel the need to pop fireworks? The sun, she's still out. It's still daytime. You can't see it. I am confused. But anyway, we're gonna take a picture or 2 because I feel cute today. She's gonna take. Look, you can't even see it. But we're gonna take some pictures. So I don't go outside until the sun actually goes down. But it's looking like my mama's neighbors might pop all their fireworks before the sun even goes down. Like, y'all hear the fireworks? The sun ain't even down yet. Like, y'all shouldn't pop it till about 8 o'clock. And it's currently 8 o'clock.
But still.
But it's like 8 o'clock in the middle of summer. The sun is still out. What? Okay, we're gonna go back to our movie. Let's go, kids. That's a help. It's the back of it. see it back there. There we go. Now that is illegal. Now that was an illegal one. Okay. Now that was illegal. These illegal fireworks.
It's crazy how their alarm went off and they're sitting in the car.
They probably sent it on purpose. You know what, guys? It's not that it's not dark enough for them to look pretty in the sky. I'm sad. How's my car? Is my car okay? Hey, I'm kind of glad they're not doing no fireworks on this block because I ain't got to worry about my car. So that's good. But I don't see no fireworks popping. Maybe we could walk down the block. No? I'm worried about my car. I'm really worried about my car.
Your car is fine.
My car's on the street.
Your car is fine. Oh, here it goes. What?
Yeah.
There's another one.
They're gonna compete now.
Yo, that is crazy.
They're gonna compete now.
They're loud. Go ahead. Go crazy out here.
My neighbors compete with my mom's neighbors compete with one another, bro. I just want one cute little shot with the fireworks. Like that's
Look at
it.
that car. It's stuck. Oh, be careful.
Ow.
There
Like,
you
look
go.
how cute. I would be mad if I got stuck behind. That's why I don't drive on the 4th of July no more. Not down these blocks. Oh, wow.
Like I lost my favorite times. See, you've been on the mind. I've been seeing great lights, got in such a great lights. Let me talk to you in straight line and keep a space for me. Give you what you need. I'm here on my knees, baby. Please believe, know that I'm no better. I'm just in the mood.
All right, guys, we're back home. Obviously, I put the sweater on because it's cold outside. But let me just say that I had a great 4th of July. Very chill, very shoo. Considering I've been in like a very, very crappy space. But you know what? Every day you get to celebrate is a good day. So I will see y'all later on this week because we're going outside. Baby, we're going outside. So yeah, so I'm gonna wash this makeup off. I'm probably gonna eat me a little bit of leftovers. So I feel like I didn't eat enough. And I will see you guys later. So here's the tea, guys. As you guys just heard, so today is my day off, okay? It's the day after the 4th. It's my day off. I wasn't planning on vlogging. I was like, I'm gonna chill, be in the house, mind my business. I'm filling out my you know, doing some like adulting type of stuff, right? I'm in my comfortable clothes. My mom was supposed to come over. Bro, I get a letter from my apartment complex telling me that they're gonna be doing some thing with the fire alarms and they're gonna be checking. So y'all hear that? That's been going off. That's been going off every like 2 to 5 minutes since 9 o'clock this morning. I now have a migraine. So I told my mom, I was like, yo, you can't really come over because we're gonna hear that until 5 o'clock tonight. And they're like, oh, we just want to let you know, like, we might have to come in the apartment, blah, 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 blah. So you know me, I'm like, I'm gonna clean because I don't want nobody thinking I'm dirty, okay? So I get all that situated, I do all of that, and I'm like, oh, y'all not just checking the alarms. Like, y'all gonna have the alarms go off for the next 8 hours. Oh, you got me messed up. So I told my mom, I said, "Ma, just come scoop me up, because I'm not gonna sit here and be bothered with, I'm not doing it." So I was like, I've been filming for a minute and it's gone off 4 times. So Katrese has a headache. So I told my mama, just come get me. So I said, I'll just hang out with my mama today. It's a beautiful day outside though. Like, it's a gorgeous day outside. So we're just gonna go hang out with moms, and that's the plan, because I can't sit in this house and deal with that all day. All right guys, so as you can see, we are back in the house. I was gonna vlog when I was at my parents' house, but we were working on some things that, you know, everybody don't need to know, okay? When the time is right, the time is right, and people will know, okay? So I am back home. I'm watching some YouTube. I'm watching my girl Rihanna, okay? She inspires me. Y'all want to talk about YouTubers that inspire you? She is a faith-based YouTuber that inspires the heck out of me, okay? You know, I just feel like we're like soul friends. Like, we should be friends, you know? She just lives on the East Coast and I live on the West Coast. But yeah. Anyway, so as you guys can see, I have a ton of laundry that I need to situate. I need to change my sheets and I still need to cook dinner. And it is 5:15. So I'm going to watch this video and I'm gonna fold these clothes, and then I'm going to change my sheets. We're gonna cook dinner, and then hopefully we can be in the bed by 8 o'clock. That is the plan, okay guys? So that is the update for you guys, so that you guys are aware of what's going on. I don't know like what type of vlog this is gonna be. It might be a little sporadic, but just bear with me guys. I'm getting back into the flow of my YouTube game, but I'm gonna do my best. I told my mother that I'm going to try. So this little rant is for people who don't try. So I am an individual, okay? Okay guys, if you don't want to hear my entire rant, just skip to the 15-minute mark. I'm an individual. I can make a list. I can make a plan. I can show you, if you say, Katrese, I want to lose 50 pounds. I can show you what to eat, how much to eat, how to eat, how many months it's going to take. You want to make $1 million? I can tell you, if you do this and sell this at this price and this is this, like, I'm good at that, okay? Like, I'm good at that. God gave me that hidden talent, okay? The problem with that hidden talent is I can help other people, but I don't do well executing things on my own. And then I have what I'm gonna call a failure mentality, but like a fake, like I'm gonna call it a faux failure mentality. So basically, like, I never really try things like wholeheartedly, and because, yeah, like I just never truly try things. And so what happens is, because I'm not truly trying things, I just assume that I'm a failure at everything. And it's like, but did you actually try, you know? So I was having a conversation with my mom. She was like, but did you actually try though? Like, so that's what we're gonna do guys. For the rest of 2023, we are going to try. Okay, if we try and we fail, then hey, I tried. You know, I can be like, at least I tried. Like, if I try to lose 50 pounds and I watch what I eat and I eat healthy and I work out every day and I do all of that and I still don't lose no weight, at least I tried. Okay, if we try to fix our mental, okay guys, we try to fix our mental and we're trying to do better and like think better and believe bigger and do all those things, and we're reading our Bible and we're in our word and we're doing all the positive things and we still don't fix it, okay, we tried. Then maybe we need to try something else, because we need a healthy mindset, okay? And if I film, edit, and post content and post reels and post TikToks and post YouTube shorts and post videos every week for the next however many weeks there, Alexa, how many weeks left in this year?
This year ends in 25 weeks.
We got 25 weeks. So if I post YouTube videos for the next 25 weeks, shorts, TikToks, and reels, and I don't get nowhere, at least I tried. Okay? At least I tried. Because guys, I literally looked back on my YouTube game and I think the first video I posted was in 2019. And it was a crappy video, okay? It was poorly edited. It was not on a camera. It was not on a fairly good YouTube, like iPhone. Like, it was trash. but it still got like a fairly decent amount of views considering it was still trash. Like I just was like, Katrese, you posted that? Like you was proud of that? But I tried, you know, and I was so proud of that video because I tried, you know. So sometimes, guys, we are our worst critics, but this is what we're gonna do for the next 25 weeks. It might be 24 by the time you look at this, but for the next 25 weeks, we're gonna try. Whatever it is that we wanna do, we're gonna try. We wanna lose weight, we're gonna try. We gonna go into 2024 slim, thick. You know what I'm saying? If we wanna meet people, we're gonna go outside. Okay, we want to learn a new hobby, we're gonna do it. We're gonna start a business, we're gonna do it. We are going to try. Okay, so we're gonna try. All right, my rant is over, we're done. So now I'm gonna do the few little things I need to do, and I will talk to you guys later.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Everybody, so I just got off of work, and one thing about my new job or my new location for me, it's the hills. It's the hills for me. One thing this location gonna do is have Katrese walk up and down the hill. One thing. Okay, so hold on. It's the G-Wagon for me. Okay, guys, so sorry if the angle's like fugly, but like we just trying to hurry up and get in the car because they'll run you over around here. Around here, they'll run you over. Let's take my parking brake off. So really quickly before my stuff gets funky, first we're gonna turn on the air because it's hot. But yeah, guys, I think the last time I talked to you guys, it was like Wednesday or something like that. But anyway, we're supposed to be going out to dinner with one of my friend's birthdays, so that's that. Plus I'm off tomorrow, thank God. So it is currently 3:15. We have dinner reservations at 8 o'clock, I think it's 8 o'clock. Hold on, guys, I gotta drive. All right, we're good. Yeah, at 8 o'clock, I think. And I swear it never stays. But yeah, we have dinner reservations at 8. I have to pick my friend up. So yeah, that's the plan. I need to get some lashes, so we are going to swing by CVS and get some lashes so that, you know, we can figure out an outfit. I was on Pinterest last night trying to find an outfit because, you know, my money is funny but my change is strange, but it's gonna be all right because I'm believing God for a miracle financially. I'm believing God that where was you going? Tesla.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. No limit.
So now we're gonna get in the shower. My back hurts so bad, guys. I'm gonna make me a snack, get in the shower, and get myself together. Okay, guys, so it wouldn't be a faith girl night out if we didn't pray before we went out, okay? Because there's a lot of craziness that goes on when you go outside, child, and we need to be safe. All right, butthole. See, that right there, that is why we need to pray before we go out, okay? So for those of you, I have to drive, so I can't pray before I go out. I have to drive. But everybody on the other side of this screen, bow your heads, close your eyes. Lord, we come to you today humble, grateful, thankful. We just ask that you bless this beautiful night out. Let us have a good time. Let us be safe. Keep anything that will hurt, harm, or cause us any danger away from us. Keep us safe. Let us get home safe. Let us get where we need to go safe. And keep your angels encamped around us. And let us have a good time and not spend too much money. Amen. Can I get a amen? As you can see, we are back in the house. Dinner was great. Good vibes, good times. I only vlogged so much because like I was just hanging out with my peoples and then nobody want to pick up the camera. But I will say two things. Number one, I had no clue what I was gonna wear and I still have clothes on. The thing and my drawers look like that, like. But I think this is a perfect time to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know every single time that I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Baby, it's all